Head of the World Economic Forum, Klaus Schwab, has warned about an impending cyber attack on the world's financial systems that would make the just concluded COVID-19 pandemic look like a mere disturbance. Crypto analysts from around the globe are predicting yet another dip in this regard. But this time, the assumptions are being made regarding a particular cryptocurrency, XRP, with a lot of emphasis being made on a potential economic collapse in the value of XRP in the coming months. Birthed by this collapse in the world's financial strata and giving rise to a newer system, one in which the distributed ledger technology token is believed to thrive even further. Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. If you're new around here and you're curious about XRP, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up to our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Also, there's the option to join the channel and get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. The economic collapse in the value of XRP is expected to take place sometime in July. First and foremost, let's look and see how this was all pre-planned and by whom. We have a post on Twitter from @NiloAngelo314 who aggregated quotes from various financial experts. I'm talking about posts from financial stakeholders in the United States ranging from 1927 through 1929. These people are already showing us, indicating about this before it takes place. Now, Valgester Locke did tweet this out. Read from the experts before the crash of 1929. So essentially what this means is that if the XRP collapse took place, it would be like that of the 1929 crash, or even a lot more insane than that. What is everyone saying right now? Everything will keep going higher and higher without any imminent collision with the cryptocurrency market underway. And everything revolves around this. Things are going to get interesting next month. We have good financial analysts talking about this, what's needed to be regulated, and how to go about that. More like shifting the focus from housing marketing to stress testing the financial market system. The subsequent considerable stress that we expect in the near term is the economic system getting hacked for a day or two, during which there will be an uproar that will happen, and that's going to be the stress that will occur. It's not what happened, but more on what is probably likely to happen going forward. I think it's a significant oversight. I don't mean to be pessimistic and all, but something like that will likely occur in the entire financial system in the near term. I do want to be optimistic about this. I hope it doesn't come to that. But we're up against some severe opponents out there. A cyber attack on the current financial system, this whole collapse thing imminent in a month or two, pre-planned ahead of time. There will be a cyber hack on the current financial system that would bring it down, which will be the catalyst for the new financial system to be born. During which time, XRP will rise from its current low to even more incredible highs, which is one of the many reasons these experts are hitting on all of us to hold on to our portfolio strong and hodl on the longest. German engineer, economist, and founder of the World Economic Forum, Klaus Schwab, points to the inadequate attention paid to the frightening scenario posed by the impending cyber attack. According to the former professor of business policy, information on this would lead to a complete cessation in the significant sectors of the economy, such as the power supply, hospital services, transportation, and the entire world society, further hinting that this trend would make it seem like the COVID-19 crisis was nothing but a minor disruption compared to the cyber attack of this magnitude. From a broader perspective, thinking that an imminent cyber attack could be more disturbing than the COVID-19 pandemic that claimed lots of lives is in itself quite distressing, if you ask me. But then what does this mean for investors in cryptocurrencies such as XRP? It does set a new trend in place for this digital asset class. Why do I think this could all go down in the coming months, maybe June and July? Looking at this post on Twitter from ChrisR0035, who goes on to tweet that this was shared to me from Marco Vamos XRP. Please watch it thoroughly for it aligns with the events. Money out will become money in. June, no, no, no. That is the crash moment. Fiscal year for politics military is October 1st, which is 2021. Must be done before then. And if you go on to play that video, the forecaster, Bo Polney, talks about the new era coming, which is set to shake the earth, hinting about the similarities between the current trend to the events before the crash of March last year, referring to the chart right next to him indicating a possible collapse coming in June. He further talked about the first seal of revelation, which he termed as the greatest financial event in human history. In this video, Bopolny goes on and on, talking about who controls the world and the propensity for these elites to pay off just about anybody to create the desired result or movement, as the case may be. From his point of view, this money system is Goliath, and until it's taken down at the ankles, we're not going to see any change. Considering the current money system is basically what gives them power, keep in mind that these elites created the money system and detached it from gold back in 1971, with President Richard Nixon giving them the downright access to make infinite amounts of wealth. I know it all sounds a little crazy, but it is the truth. Looking at the chart and the crash which took place last year, and what's 3 months after that, we have April, May, and June, everything revolves around that period. So guys, be prepared. For the month of June and July, we will be witnessing some crazy crashes. Following these trends of events that are happening right now, which is similar to what happened before the Wall Street 1929 crash, the entire market will have to plummet for the transitioning of a new financial system to be born. Now, once this economic system is born, what happens next? Highly efficient, sustainable, and sufficient cryptocurrency platforms, such as Ripple, are specially designed to work with the existing system to have a higher level of success, and created not just for banks and corporations, but for individuals and retail investors. A new world reserve currency would then be born, which is Ripple Labs' primary goal, to make its native token the new world's reserve currency. Remember, while all of this is happening, regulations are now implemented into the whole cryptocurrency sphere. Looking at this tweet from XRP, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis, James Bullard, says that most cryptocurrencies are worthless. He noted that if cryptocurrency can facilitate transactions that are difficult to make in conventional currencies, then they will have a purpose and circulate alongside the nation-backed currencies. Again, these people know that cryptocurrencies are worthless in sure regards. When we talk about the conventional banking sphere, most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin do not have the required utility to flourish. Unlike the other cryptos, XRP is explicitly designed to facilitate the processes engaged by the traditional banking system. On that note, Bitcoin has to give way for a newer currency to take over. But the question is, what digital currency is going to take over from the greatest cryptocurrency asset on the planet? Not to mention the global energy conservation initiative in play right as we speak, which sets Ripple XRP once again on the pedestal. These people, the elites, they know for a fact that Ripple XRP is the one. They're all in the know that XRP is the future currency of the earth, just as stated by the central bank digital currencies of the world. Another post on Twitter, this time by Ripple themselves, says Ripple is leading the sustainability charge by pledging to achieve carbon net zero by 2030. When all this takes place and these events unfold before our very own eyes, then we would see XRP's value coming to place. But in the meantime, it's best to hold on the longest. And that when the market crashes, as is purported by Klaus Schwab, Bopolny, and many of these other financial analysts, we buy more into the dip. Now, looking at all of these narratives in play, with Ripple saying that we're pledging to achieve carbon net zero by 2030 and driving new research with leading universities that evaluate energy consumption across digital assets, credit card networks, and cash, you guys could agree with me that you would have to go because of this narrative. With the narrative of the greener economy now into play, when all of these do take shape, we all could see that Ripple XRP's growth is now on the horizon. Lastly, we have attorney seals on this one. Ripple CDO David Schwartz says for every 1 million transactions, XRP could power 79,000 light bulb hours. In contrast, for every 1 million transactions, Bitcoin could power 4.51 billion light bulb hours. This means that the energy consumption of XRP is 57,000 times more efficient. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits, and you can join the free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comments section down below, and we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.